Level Up STEM. Today we will be going over two definition of derivative problems in our Calc 1 practice problem series, and make sure to like and subscribe. So we have this expression for q of t, and we're supposed to suppose that k is a non-zero constant. And it says write an explicit expression for the average rate of change of q between those two t values, t equals 5 and t equals 5 plus k. So the process we have for this is by using the average rate of change expression, since that's what it's asking for. And I copy and pasted a definition of derivative to the right there, but we're only going to use this part of it, the second part of it, the after the limit expression. That's our average rate of change. You can also think of it as dy over dx, where you're subtracting your y's over your x's. And in this case, it'd be our q of t's over our t's. So we plug in, right, our second time value, 5 plus k, into everywhere we see t, so just after the sign, and you put it inside of the squared, right? So we get that. And we can actually cross out some things here. We can cross out our 7s, and we can cross out our 5s. Once we remember, we're doing delta y over delta x, so that's why that's written like that. And we can cross those things out to get our final answer without those 7s and without those 5s. And that's our average rate of change. For our second problem, we are using this equation, and we're determining the limit definition of the derivative to write an explicit expression for p prime of -3. So this is asking for like a straight up almost like expression limit we can take to find the number value of this derivative right here. So our process, we're going to use the definition of derivative, the whole thing this time. And everywhere we see an f, we're going to replace with a p in that equation. And everywhere we see an a, we're going to replace with a -3. So that's all I did to get to that step. And now we're going to plug that into the equation. So replace in the 6 arctan 4w. Everywhere we see a w, we're going to replace it with either a -3 plus h or a -3, like so. And you should have h over the bottom. And so that'd be your answer, and you can take the limit if you wanted to find the final answer. But for now, that's all I want. And make sure to like and subscribe.